particle can vanish from one side of a wall and instantly appear on the other. No braking, no path, no permission. That's quantum tunneling. And according to physics, it's not a glitch, it's legal. Now scale that up. You, a bag of atoms, are built from those same rule-breaking particles. So here's the wild part. Physics doesn't strictly forbid you from quantum tunneling out of a locked room, or this reality. Odds, microscopic, possibility, still there. We've caught electrons doing it in labs. Alpha particles escape atomic nuclei this way. It's how radioactive decay works. So tunneling is already part of our universe's escape plan. The catch? Your chance of pulling it off is laughably small, like 1 in a Google. But quantum law is ruthless. If something isn't explicitly banned, it can happen. You're technically just a statistical event waiting to glitch. So is this our cosmic loophole, or just nature trolling us with impossible maybes? Either way, the universe isn't a locked box. It's full of improbable exits, hiding in the math. If your mind's bending, hit subscribe. Drop a comment. If tunneling was possible, where would you go first? Because physics may not care, but we sure as hell do.